Hi there, welcome to my hacking course. In this lecture, you will learn about basics. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is an authorized practice of bypassing system security to identify potential data breaches and threats in a network. The company that owns the system or network allows cybersecurity experts to perform such activities in order to test the system's defenses. Thus, unlike malicious hacking, this process is planned, approved, and more importantly, legal. Ethical hackers aim to investigate the system or network for weak points that malicious hackers can exploit or destroy. The collection and analyze the information to figure out ways to extend the security of the system, network, or applications. By doing so, they can improve the security footprint so that it can better withstand attacks or divert them. Ethical hackers check for key vulnerability but are not limited to inject attacks, change in security setting, exposure or sensitive data, breach in authentication protocol, component used in the system or network that may be used as access points. Now, concept of ethical hacking. There are the basic component of ethical hacking, that is phase of pen testing. Pen test, like forensics, is almost as much an art as it is a science. You can only be taught so far. Technical techniques and tools are all very well, but you really need to mind that can think sideways and approach a task from as many angles as possible. Now, footprinting. Tools are tricks to get the information about the computer, IP and MAC address, related user and systems. Scanning. Before starting the penetester must have some information about network and systems. So penetester scan the entire network with some tools like Nmap, Genmap, Ping and Hipping, etc. Enumeration. During the enumeration phase, possible entry points into the tested system are identified. The information collected during the reconnaissance phase is put to use. System hacking. System hacking logging to system without credential not only bypass the credential but also you can work in system as root used by privilege escalation. Trojans. It is a general non-self-replicating type of malware program containing malicious code. A Trojan often acts as a backdoor containing a controller which can then have unauthorized access to the affected computer. While Trojans and backdoors are not easily detectable by themselves, computers may appear to run slower due to heavy processor or network uses. Virus and worms. A computer virus attaches itself to a program or file, enabling it to spread from one computer to another, leaving infection. A worm is its capability to replicate itself on your system. So rather than your computer sending out a single worm, it could send out hundred or thousand of copies of itself. Creating a huge devastating effect. Sniffing tool. It is a program that monitors and analyzes works traffic, detecting and finding problems. Various technique and tool is used for sniffing like Kali Linux, MITM attacks, T-Shark, URL snap, etc. Social engineering. In this technique, ethical hacker creates the phishing page of website to obtain credential of users. Denial service. A DDoS attack generally consists of efforts to temporarily interpret or suspend or down the servers of a host connected to the internet.